It's north.
No, it's going to Cancun. North Hilton is the road right here off of Washington Road.
Yes.
No, it's going to Redline.
Yeah, it's going to Redwine.
Yeah.
Driving Marietta. I'm in a hard mobility bus.
Clear.
Father radio clear, 3395. 3395, okay. I'm saying grade on 5 rescue to continue.
Receive 64, go ahead. Receive.
This chase kicks off with a simple location call, but already the tension is rising. You can almost feel the urgency in every yes and no exchanged. A stolen vehicle is in play, and officers are piecing together fragmented information. Here's where legal nuance matters. Even in real-time pursuit, every command, every call log can later be scrutinized in court. Apote de ye chase follow carte ya wait carte? This is the moment the drama starts, and it's just getting heated.
10-4, show. You with the 1050, what's it? 85, 75.
713 Lane Hold, 10-3. I got a stolen tag on the Malibu, BJ's Club, 1080. It's a great Chevy Malibu. Go ahead, contact East Point if you can. Tag is going to be Victor 90 Sam John Tom out of New Jersey V90. We're over here by Target and the Marketplace. Stand by. You almost lost it.
What's your location?
Shelby Lane coming up to Lowe's off of Commerce.
Now the plot thickens. The stolen Malibu is tracked across multiple zones, each officer relaying critical details. Here, legal standards of proof matter. Officers must confirm the plate before taking action, or any arrest risks being challenged. Notice the coordination and split-second decision-making. One wrong move and evidence could be compromised. Strong reactions abound. Almost losing sight of the vehicle adds real suspense. Who's in the wrong if the suspect slips away? Ye chase court main kisangol say scrutinize hoga?
Coming up 285. Once the 715 to the 48. Hold on.
I can't get it.
You got it, coming up 285. 285 southbound. 25 southbound. 713, I'm on traffic, so you can get that up there right here. 713, I'm coming up on you. We're southbound on 285. Mile around Loxer Road. On the left shoulder, drive right. Left shoulder, drive right. miles southbound, 35 below.
Getting off on Washington Road, getting off on Washington Road.
Taking Washington Road.
Woo, woo. Oh, okay. 1050, he just blew 2 tires. Stand by.
We got my Washington Road. Flat tires, big flat tires. And look at what's wrong.
And here it escalates. Tires blown. A high-speed maneuver ending in chaos. The tension is palpable. In court, these moments highlight the danger faced by officers, but also the suspect's recklessness. Legal clarity. A pursuit resulting in property damage or risk to others could add charges like reckless endangerment. Audience, think about it. If you were behind the wheel during this chase, would you stop or push on? Strong contradictions emerge between fear and defiance, and the stakes just got higher.
We're getting one in custody.
But where do you think he was gonna go? Drop it. Put the hammer how you got
Alright, copy. The virtual signal is outstanding for this Michigan.
What's going on, man?
How you doing, sir?
Good. Talk to me. Why are we running from the police?
That's what I'm saying. I didn't do nothing.
Okay.
And then, I'm gonna be honest,
Uh-huh.
I was scared.
You were scared? You ought to be. You see how you was driving? Yeah. Nope. Yep.
I got to sit up right now.
Yep.
Go get your money, man. I'll put it back in your pocket. Hold on. Can I keep going? That shit was right there.
Yep.
Please get some water. Got it.
Yep. You be fine.
Please let me get some water. Please, y'all.
151.
Water.
Do you have anybody that can monitor the check one?
Have a seat.
Where you going, bro? No, I'm not going over there. Come right here, have a seat, bro. Go ahead.
Stop, please get some water, guys. Please. Y'all said when I stand up, I stand up. Please.
You said you getting water. You said we going.
You said 1 minute, didn't it?
No, he said I said.
I'm cool.
Look, slide in, man.
625, you can 16.
We're gonna need 4.
22 Hellcat, 9mm. Boy, Adam, 196
They started medical. Gonna check you out.
You coming?
Yeah.
Cool.
We can't give you no water until they check you out. Let your eyes go.
Why not?
Radio.
Huh?
You
We just not allowed to give people water until they get checked out.
Too bad, nigga. Can you zip this for me? Just a little bit so I get some air. That's it. That's it.
You wasn't going nowhere. You that would have hurt.
Please, can I get some water, guys? At least pour it on my head, at least.
Are you hot?
Yes. No, I'm hot.
Now your adrenaline rushing. Yeah, man. You didn't even run that far.
Blood everywhere. Please let me get a band-aid. Y'all see it? Open.
Here's the verdict of this intense pursuit. The suspect is finally in custody, exhausted and facing multiple charges for fleeing law enforcement and endangering the public. The officer's coordination, split-second judgments, and adherence to procedure were key to bringing this chase to a safe conclusion. Legal takeaway: proper documentation of each move is crucial for prosecution. Audience, what do you think? Justifiable arrest or excessive force? This case leaves a strong impression about risk, responsibility, and accountability. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.